Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome all of you to the science class today on 6th April 2021. We are gonna start the very first chapter of science. That is chapter number 1. Chapter number 1. And do you know what is the name of that chapter? So my dear students, please open page number 7 of the book. Okay, the name of the chapter is our breathing. That is blow, hot and cold. Our breathing, blow, hot and cold. So basically we are going to learn about breathing. Okay, without breathing we can't survive. So this is one of the essential aspects of our life. Okay, so we will be talking about breathing. It's a very interesting chapter. Be with me, inshallah, you will enjoy learning. So please open the book you have. I hope all of you have this book. This is Inspiration and Science Class 5. Okay, Pelican Publishing House. The publisher's name is Pelican Publishing House. The name of the book is Inspirations and Science 5. Cover of this book. Okay, my dear students. The writer, the name of the writer, there are lots of writers over here, 4 writers. Okay, K. Venugopal Rao, Rajni Yepuri, Madhuri, Vaishali Roy. So these are the 4 writers combined yani they have written this book by helping each other. Okay, so they are the writers, and this is the name of the book, and the publisher's name is Pelican Publishing House. I hope all of you have this book. Open page number 7, you will find the very first chapter. That is chapter number 1, our breathing, blow, hot and cold. So today in this video I will be explaining you about why is oxygen so important. Why is oxygen so important? Okay, I will be explaining you this topic. Why is oxygen so important? Before we go and understand this topic in details, let me test you people. That is, what is the meaning of breathing? What is the meaning of breathing? Breathing means inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling means taking in. Okay, that is breathing in. Breathing in. So when you take the gas into yourself, into your lungs, from the surroundings into your body, that is, you are taking the gas into yourself or breathing in. Okay, similarly exhaling means when you breathe out. Okay, that is, you remove gases out from your body. So these two things, yani these two mechanisms, these two terminologies are included in breathing. So whenever breathing is studied, or whenever breathing is, you find breathing wherever, you have to understand that we are talking about inhaling and exhaling as well. Now what do we mean by inhaling? You understood. And what do we mean by exhaling? You understood. Now can you name the gas which we inhale, the gas which we take into ourselves? It's very easy. That's oxygen. Yes, that's oxygen. And that is what we are going to learn about now in this video, that why is oxygen so important. Okay, why is it so important? So we inhale, we breathe in, we take in oxygen gas from the surrounding, from air, and we exhale what is the gas? Can you name the gas which we exhale, which we breathe out? That's carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide is the gas which we exhale, which we breathe out. Now let us move to the main topic, to the main concern of this video. That is, why is oxygen so important? Why is it so important? Look, we need energy to do work. Without energy, you can't do work and you will not survive. Now, from where do we get energy? What is the source of energy? The source of energy, that is from where do we get energy, is food. Yes, very good. It's food. Yes. So we have food on a daily basis for getting energy, for our survival, for getting energy, for doing work, for our survival as well. Okay, without food we can't survive, without food we can't have energy, and without energy we can't do work. So they are interrelated. And what is the source of energy? That's food. But do we get energy directly from food? That is, we eat rice, we have chapatis, we drink juice, we drink water. So these are included, all of these stuffs are included in food. Okay, so do we get energy directly from these things? No. So what is the thing, what is the main entity that plays role in converting these food items into energy? That's oxygen. Yes, that's oxygen. So that is why oxygen is so important. Oxygen converts the nutrients. So when we intake food, the food is broken down into nutrients. Okay, into nutrients. Okay, and what are nutrients? Nutrients you might have studied in your junior classes. They include vitamins, they include minerals, they include proteins, they include carbohydrates. Okay, I'm writing in short, carbohydrates, and they include fats. Okay, so these are the nutrients, the 5 basic nutrients. Okay, so when we take food, during the digestion process, okay, the stomach, what happens in the stomach, the food gets digested. And what is the meaning of digested? The food gets broken into smaller parts, smaller nutrients. Okay, these nutrients. Okay, and these nutrients go into the different parts of our body, and the oxygen which is present in the body, convert these nutrients into energy. So in a nutshell what happens? Food is digested, and they become nutrients, small nutrients. They are broken into smaller nutrients due to the process of digestion, and these nutrients are converted into energy by oxygen. Okay, so you understood why oxygen is important, because it converts the nutrients into energy, and without energy we can't do work. So it's very important. Hope you understood.